Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful hairstyle. So first of all, I'm going to be adding hair cream on her hair, and after adding her hair cream I'll just quickly go ahead to kind of part the hair the way I want it. Now I want to part this hair in a zigzag form. Remember I told you earlier that this zigzag form is kind of tricky for me, so I'm just getting the hang of it small. So I'm just going to part her hair in a zigzag form. So after parting it out, I'm just going to get one side and just hold it down. Then I'm going to comb the other side. After combing it out, I'm going to use brush to lay down the edges so that it will be nice and clean. Now here you can add your edge control, you can add gel to the hair if you're comfortable adding those stuff, but me, it's just the hair cream and combing with brushing down the hair. So this is your first time of seeing our video, you're welcome to the channel. Do well to subscribe, like this video, comment, leave us a nice comment, and of course share this video to someone that is going to be helpful too. So once I finish brushing down her hair, what I'll do quickly is that I'll use the rubber band to hold it down. So after holding it down this side, I'm going to repeat that same thing on the other side as well. So I'll just comb out her hair, then use this brush to kind of make it to lay nice and neat. So after brushing it down, I'll just use my rubber band to hold it down just like I did to the other side. So that is what I will quickly do here. I will hold it down with the rubber band. So now this is the hairstyle. This is just the hairstyle. It looks pretty, right? Yes, but if you want, you can add some colors to the hair to make it to be more colorful, because she's a baby and baby hair needs to be colorful. So I'll go with this, my scrunchie. If you don't know how to make this and you would like to know how it was made, the link is in the description box, or you can click here to watch how to make this scrunchie. Now with this scrunchie, the hair looks colorful now, right? I like it with this scrunchie. It looks beautiful, it looks babyish. Or if I don't want to use this scrunchie, I can go ahead to add another butterfly clips to it. Just on top of the scrunchie like that, I'm going to be adding the butterfly clips, and butterfly clips, they are colorful. So I'm just going to quickly add butterfly clips to the hair, making it to be more colorful. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, so the hairstyle is done. This is just the hairstyle. How beautiful is this? Thank you so much for watching our video today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you.